We are going to study short run form equilibrium under perfect competition PC. First of all, we will explain perfect competition, then short run, and third form equilibrium and condition of form equilibriums. There are two conditions, first order condition and second order condition. Then equilibrium, form equilibrium under different situation like supernormal profit, normal profit, below normal profit, and shutdown point. Finally, the analysis be covered with diagrams. So what is perfect competition? In perfect competition, there are certain conditions that market fulfill. For example, homogeneity of the product mean all units of goods are same like wheat, and second, large number of buyer and sellers mean there are huge population that buy wheat and there are so many farmers that sell wheat. Third, free entry and exit of firm. A firm may or may not produce, or a consumer may or may not consume or demand a thing. It's mean single consumer or producers cannot affect demand or supply. Elastic supply, a factor of production, mean land, labor, capital, organizer are available in the economy. There is perfect knowledge of the market to both supplier and consumer. Under perfect competition, there is a situation that price cannot be changed by the supplier or demander. In this case, price remains the fixed whatever the quantity demand of a product. So in this case, demand curve be horizontal. Next is firm equilibrium. What is firm equilibrium? Firm equilibrium can be explained with two approaches or two methods. Number one is total revenue and cost method. Number two is marginal revenue and cost method. The total revenue and cost method, marginal revenue and marginal cost method. In total revenue and total cost, it is very simple method. We compare just revenue and cost to get firm equilibrium. The firm equilibrium is the situation in which a firm earn maximum profit or minimum loss. When the total revenue is more than total cost, there is supernormal profit or positive profit. When total revenue equal to total cost, there is normal profit or zero profit. When total revenue less than total cost, there is negative profit or loss. Same situation can be explained with the help of a diagram. For example, in this diagram, on vertical axis revenue and cost are given and horizontal unit of output. In the mud shape is total cost curve. This is total cost curve, and TR curve under perfect competition is positively sloped with constant slope, mean constant price or marginal revenue or average revenue. In before point C or E, cost more than revenue. It means there is negative profit in this case. this region is negative profit. C total revenue is equal to total cost. There is zero profit. Above C, for example, this is revenue more than cost is positive profit. At B, revenue more than cost, positive profit. At this point it is positive profit, mean this vertical line shows a positive profit. In three positive profits, BA is highest, it's mean ye maximum, it is maximum profit. At Q is the equilibrium quantity where the profit is maximum, and at D is zero profit. After D is negative profit, cost is more than total revenue. So next method is minor revenue and minor cost method, or additional revenue and additional cost method. This is additional cost or marginal cost. This is additional revenue or minor revenue. At initial stages, marginal cost is going down, mean additional cost for additional unit of output is going down. Then a producer should produce more and more of goods to get lower additional cost. At G, marginal cost is equal to marginal revenue, or additional revenue are equal with additional cost. But after that, additional revenue more than additional cost, it will encourage producer to produce more. Why? Because revenues are higher at additional output. Similarly, revenues are more at this point. At this point, E point, marginal revenue equal to marginal cost. After this point, marginal cost is more than marginal revenue. It will discourage producer to produce more thing. Why? Because the additional costs are going much more than the additional revenue. It's mean E is the equilibrium point. As we know, at G, marginal revenue equal to marginal cost. At E, marginal revenue equal to marginal cost. So then what should be the equilibrium? Equilibrium point is the point where a firm earns maximum profit. After G, additional unit is giving more profit. It will encourage higher profit and higher profit. But when the profit or each unit of output is adding up at point E, there will be a maximum profit. Why? Because after this point, their firm is facing loss. In loss section, firm will not produce output. It means first order condition is marginal revenue equal to marginal cost. At point G and E both satisfy this condition, but second order condition is marginal cost must rising up at equilibrium point. It is satisfied only at E. So there are two conditions: first order condition and second order condition. First order condition are so-called necessary condition, where marginal revenue equal to marginal cost. The second order condition is marginal cost must rising up when they intersect marginal revenue curve. Now, firm equilibrium may take place at different levels of profits, or at equilibrium firm may face supernormal profit, normal profit, loss, or minimum loss. So what is type of profit? Type of profit explained with revenues behavior, average revenues behavior, averages. It is analysis of average, not marginal. We reach up at equilibrium point of firm through marginal behavior, but through average we will explain types of profit. For example, at normal, more than normal profit, price is more than average cost. At normal profit, price is equal to average cost, and at loss, price is less than average cost, and at shutdown point, price is equal to minimum average variable cost, and price is less than average cost as well. The same situation of profits can be explained with help of different diagrams. For example, look at first diagram, where at equilibrium marginal cost equal to marginal revenue. Price curve is also marginal revenue curve in perfect competition. At E point, average cost lower than price, which means there is supernormal profit. At this E point, price is equal to average cost, it means there is normal profit. And at this equilibrium point, average cost more or higher than the price, this means there is negative profit or loss. And finally, at point E, price is equal to minimum of average variable cost. All the fixed costs are facing loss by a firm. Only a short run equilibrium takes place in this situation. In the long run, firm cannot willing to earn loss or below average cost curve or below average cost of a firm.